Ever since the movie Her came out 11 years ago, geeks have been trying to have computers that they can talk to.
Hello, I'm here.
Oh. Hi.
Well, it's almost here. GPT4o has been released to the public, however, the advanced mode hasn't yet. I was able to see a demo last week of the advanced mode, and I was blown away by the responsiveness, the ability to interrupt it directly, you're not waiting for a response. The thing that blew me away was just the speed. The current model of GPT voice mode is 17 times slower. It's pretty good now, but can you imagine it being 17 times faster, where it just feels like you're talking to a regular person? What's kind of annoying is we're not going to get access to the advanced voice mode just yet. Makers of ChatGPT last week announced that they are going to delay it. They were planning on launching it now in July. They're going to delay it to sometime in the fall.
Specifically, they're trying to improve the model's ability to refuse certain types of content, which they already have in text-based. So voice, it means that there's something different going on here.
I wonder what the safety concerns are. My guess is that it's too sexy. It sounds too sexy. So why do I like voice interaction so much is because you can talk faster than you can type, up to 3 times faster. I'll admit, I don't use voice interactions for everything, but I use it for search when I can. I use it for dictation, transcription, and for having content read to me. And I think it's pretty neat. So I'll go through the different apps that I use right now on my phone and my desktop, and hope you like it. If you do, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel. So first off, I use it for search purposes. I have my action button set to ChatGPT, and when I press it, it automatically starts a voice conversation. Action button, and you can see by tapping it, you get the shortcuts that come up, and you can search for ChatGPT and start voice conversation. So now, when you hit the action button, you have to hold it down. It will start an automatic conversation. What's up, Chad?
All right, Michael, what's on your mind today?
So one of the things you can do is you can also hold down the circle so it doesn't send until you're done talking, because sometimes it will just stop on its own and start talking. So pro tip, hold down the circle. The other search capabilities, I'm testing out a desktop app called Joe. It has this awesome feature where I can search my email or search the web, and I just talk to it. And sometimes it's like too fast. Search Amazon for baby wipes. So you can see how quick that was. That was kind of awesome. Search Gmail for email about Hawaii from Luna. And I can find specific emails super quickly as well. Apple has built-in native dictation with when you press F5, super convenient. It's getting better every time, removing any of the ums or filler words. But if you want to go into a more advanced interaction with dictation, I highly recommend checking out Aqua, Chrome plugin that I use for drafting emails. It's super easy. Okay, so this is a demo of Aqua. You can see that it is just recording or transcribing everything that I'm saying. It's super fast and easy. What I love about it is that I can just free flow my thoughts and then not worry about the formatting, not worry about typing, and I can then edit it afterwards. So I usually use this for email construction. It's super convenient. What I like about it is that I can turn things into bullet points, and I can say, hey, the first 3 things that I want to do today are record a video of Aqua, edit it, and upload it. and I can say, can you format that into bullet points, please? If you're a Notion user on your desktop, you can just press Command O and they will have dictation, but I don't find it to be better than native F5. I'm assuming that they too will try to have workflows built in, and this is their first step into that process of dictation. Another app that I use is called Super Whisper. Super Whisper is a powerful dictation tool, but also it allows me to run workflows against what is being recorded. So I can set a prompt that will draft an email for me based on the things that I'm saying. What I like about Super Whisper is that the ability to customize the various modes of transcription. So you can see here I have my morning walks, group meetings, processing, another meeting, and then talk. Talk is when I want to just send a message to somebody. Instead of typing, I just talk to it and it will automatically clean up what I'm saying and send it over to them. So you can see this is the prompt that's sent over. It says your text reformatting function, respond with only the reformatted user message. For an empty message, respond with the given input. Messages that are repeated, respond with just one instance of the repeat. Reformat the user's message. Clean up formatting, punctuation, spelling, and grammar, and split ideas into paragraphs. So, and here's a bunch of examples. This is super convenient, and I use that often. So another way I use it is for my morning walks, when I'm usually just trying to record all the things that are top of mind, and it then will create a simple document that has all the things that I'm grateful for, my to-dos, summarize my feelings, and then sort of create next action steps. It helps me stay organized and top of the things that I want to stay on top of. And you can create your own modes here. There's a bunch of different ready-made ones for messages, for note-taking, for documents, for emails, for meetings, and then if you want, you can create your own custom ones as well. I use Super Whisper if I'm going to take notes for meetings. I actually use this for in-person meetings. This thing's called Plaud, Plaud, and it has like a button you press that it's recording. And also what I kind of like is that if I have a phone call that I want to record, there's a button that changes the microphone right there that I can use in order to record the meeting. You got to check your states if that's legal or not. If you want a legal voice meeting note taker, I would check out Wave. The Wave app lets you record meetings. A lot of my friends love Granola. It's a desktop app where it listens to meetings that you're in, and then when you take notes, it fills in the rest. So you can see the examples that they provide here. All you have to type in is 100, growing, use Tuesday, and then you see it fills in the rest. And like I said, everyone I know who uses it loves it. I'm not in a bunch of meetings these days, so I don't necessarily need it, but if I ever do, I'll definitely check it out. What I do is I use 11 Labs Reader app. You can listen to articles, PDFs, or just even copy and paste text. The voices are amazing, and it's just really done really well. Highly recommend checking it out if you're really into listening to audio. So there you have it. Those are the different ways that I use voice actions in my daily life. I'm super excited for ChatGPT to release the advanced voice mode. Let me know if there are any voice apps that I didn't mention that you use. I'm always excited to learn about new things, so leave them in the comments.